Hey Google, say a joke.
Why can't a bicycle stand on its own?
Why?
It's too tired.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone.
What is going on, tech lovers? Gabriel Figueroa here. Regarding my friend here.
Shut up.
What? Let's get right into this review.
Finally.
The Google Home Mini launched back in October of 2017 along with the Google Home, and the Google Home Max came out a couple months later in December. Launched with a set price of $49. When this product came out, when the Google Home came out in 2017, I was so stoked to get my hands on this product because I was like, dude, I want a smart assistant. And once I finally got my hands on this product on my birthday, I was like a little kid getting a toy from McDonald's. When I tell you that this assistant has many features, I'm telling you, many features that will probably take me a whole day to go over every single one. I believe the people that are trying to buy this Google Home are looking for like an alarm to wake them up in the morning or a smart home system to control their appliances like lights, alarm system to protect the house. That ring will never just stop ringing.
Oh my God.
Or even the TV. Now, I personally do not have none of those type of things, but honestly, you don't even need them to enjoy this product. This is a smart speaker where you can play your podcast, your radio stations, music, also a Bluetooth speaker. You may be asking the sound quality of this speaker. Let me show you guys, look. So the Google Home, right, have a speaker right here and it only shoots upwards because it's pretty much like this. It doesn't shoot around. The Google Home, however, shoots around because it's a round system. The quality of this speaker is decent. How small the speaker is. It's surprisingly loud and clear. One thing that lacks in this speaker is the bass in your songs. The Google Home Mini comes in 4 colors. It comes in coral, black, gray, and some light blue. Let's go over the features of the Google Home Mini that I found super cool while having this speaker for the last 3 years. Hey Google, find my phone.
Got it. Your Samsung SMG9208 should be ringing now.
Look at that. Google, play the sound of rain.
Man, hurry the fuck up, dude!
A few moments later.
Hey Google, set a sleep timer for 5 minutes.
Bedroom speaker 2 will stop playing in 5 minutes.
Look at that. Hey Google, play some jazz.
Alright, here's the Spotify playlist called Jazz for Sleep.
I use this song for homework. Also asks questions like, hey Google, who created Microsoft?
Microsoft was founded by Bill Gates and Paul Allen.
It can even help you with your math homework. Look at this. Hey Google, what's 5 times 5 times 20 times 5?
The answer is 2,500.
This is my review of the Google Home Mini. I absolutely think that it's so worth it to pick these up if you haven't already. Google pretty much refreshed this product by calling it the Google Nest Mini. So you're not gonna find Google Home Mini, you'll find Nest Mini. That's like the 2nd generation. It's pretty much the same exact thing as this one. Be sure to hit that subscribe button because I'll be posting videos like this and tips and tricks and some tech news every Wednesday and Friday. While you're already down there, leave a like and comment down below if you believe that the Google Home Mini is still worth it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you around.
Peace.